4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we got 8 times, 8 on the dice roller. So we got box 3 and 2. So that's going to be our bottom 2 boxes here. So this back out of the way. Oh yeah, big hit, Jay Rich. All about the Justin Jeffersons. We pulled a base insert out of the last box, so not too bad. But we had some good luck with some of the rookie parallels. Had a DeAndre Swift, Red Wave, and then both of our autos we had a Gabriel Davis camo to 25, and then our Jalen Reagor was a Red Wave also to 149. So definitely pulling for some solid hits. So let's open this top box here. I'm just going to set this one back a little bit. So that's box number 2 we're going to open. All right, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. So we got 12 packs, 12 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, video's going. Stream looks good. Good luck, everybody. We do like those heavy boxes at the bottom. All right, good luck. Here we go. Pack number 1. Bush, McGinnis, Farrell, Ingram, Miller, Cox, Barrett, Mostert, Boston. We've got our Ed Reed insert in our first pack. A no color meh pack. We got a couple rookies. Got a Jermichael Hasty and a Julian Okwara. So rookie for the Lions, and then we got a rookie for the 49ers. So that's our box 1 meh pack out of the way. All right, here we go. Pack 2. All right. So we got Geno, Bruce Smith, Darren Waller, David Montgomery, Melvin Ingram, Shaq Griffin, Rob Gronkowski, Donald Driver. Then we got an Aaron Donald, Fireworks. And then we got what looks like a hyper right behind her. It's not a rookie. Clelin Ferrell, Raiders. Out of 175. Gotta love those lineman parallels. And Donovan Peoples-Jones. And then we got a base Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. This one is going to be going to Charles. There we go. All right. Next pack. Okay. Connor, Smith, Golden Tate, Tyreek Hill, Dwayne Haskins, Enos Williams. We got a Todd Gurley. We got a couple colors back here coming. Nick Bosa. Next one up is going to be a silver. And not a rookie, but Devin Singletary. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's a decent hit. Buffalo Bills, Ben. Right behind there. Got a little blue wave action. Also not a rookie, but Emmitt Smith. Not too bad at all. That's a nice hit. It's 199 for the Cowboys. That's David. All right, and then round it out with a couple rookies here. We got Gladney for the Vikings and P. Ryan for the Jets. Yeah, Emmitt Smith that's a pretty nice looking card with the blue too. Good centering on that. Looks like works out really well with the Cowboy colors, so that's a plus as well. And again, that's 173 out of 199. Then we got our Singletary silver. All right. Some of these base cards out of the way here, and we'll keep going. All right, next pack. McCourty, Andre Johnson, Kerryon Johnson, got a Danny Dimes, Drew Brees, stuck together there, Hawkinson, Zadarius Smith, Byron Murphy. Then we got Ezekiel Elliott, insert, go hard or go home. Cowboys are going to be going home pretty early this year. Then we got an orange coming up, not a rookie. Oh, look at that. Devin Singletary again. So Ben, you got a start to the rainbow here. You got the orange and you've got the silver. So 249 on that Singletary. Then we got a Hamler rookie, base rookie there, and Henry Ruggs. So a little bit better on the back end of that pack with those rookies. Hamler for the Broncos. And then Ruggs, I think, is going to be a good player. Singletary. All right, there we go. There's the start of your rainbow right there. Okay, moving on. Ingram, Cole, Chubb, Lane Johnson, Josh Jacobs, Trubisky, Calvin Ridley, Deebo Samuel. And it looks like we got our first auto. So I'm going to swing these rookies up front here. We got Willie Gay Jr., Thaddeus Moss. All right, first auto. Good luck, everyone. Alan Lazard. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not numbered, it's silver. Not a rookie. So we'll sleeve that up. Josh is working on his Alex Barnes Rainbow Prism from 2019. And some of these, I mean, unless you luck out and get one of those one of ones right off the bat, it can definitely take a little while to put together a decent rainbow off of Prism. All right, so first auto is going to go to the Packers. Edward, nice hit. Congrats. Wish it was a Jordan Love, but it's Lazard. Moving on. Ocho, Cinco, Taylor, Henry, Shepard, Wright, TB12, his new gear, Kenny Clark, Patrick Peterson. We got a Nick Chubb hype. And then we got a Green scope right behind it. It is a rookie. Red on the colors. Could it be a Bengals player? Oh! Very nice hit. Alexander. Amart, I hope you're watching. Very, very nice hit. Got a Joey B green scope. This sucker's going to be numbered to 75. Very nice hit. So we had the other two quarterbacks in the last box. They were base. This is our first big boy, Burrow. Congrats, Alex. Very nice hit. Let's leave that one up there so you can admire it if you're watching. If not, we got Kinlaw and Quez Watkins to round out that pack. Yeah, Joey B is not playing anymore. Obviously, he's hurt, so kind of pushes the value of his cards down a bit. But that kid is an absolute stud, and he's going to make a huge comeback. And oh, so this is an extra thick pack. We're going to have a little patch auto or a patch of some sort in here, rookie patch action. So I'm going to flip these guys around to the front. But yeah, as I was saying, Burrow, man, that guy's a baller, and he's going to come back, and definitely buying what I can of his right now because I think his value is just going to go up and up and up. All right, so we got AJ Terrell, Jawan Jennings, Phillip Rivers, Marlon Humphrey, Brian Dawkins, Tyrell Williams, Akeem Hicks, Michael Gallup, Danielle Hunter, Aaron Donald, Sean Alexander. Oh man, I don't know if you guys see that little Chargers action right there. Could this be our other rookie QB, or is it going to be a Joshua Kelly? Oh my God. Wow. Joshua Kelly, rookie patch auto, and this bad boy is a gold numbered 8 of 10. How about that for back-to-back packs? Very nice hit for the Chargers. Obviously, if this was Herbert, this would be yeah, I mean ridiculous money. But yeah, I mean not a bad hit at all. So I'm gonna actually grab the bigger sleeves out of here so I can get this guy sleeved up properly. And I think with both these cards, we'll be shipping these insured to you guys to make sure they get there as intended. That is just a super nice card. I mean that gold in person. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but it stands out really well. And I mean, nice piece of the patch too, right? Very solid card. So I'm gonna get one of our bigger top loaders to top load that shortly. But congrats to Garrett on his Chargers hit. All right, still got more to go, guys. Not a bad first half of box one. Let's keep going here. Got Josh Allen, Devontae Parker, Malcolm Butler, Dexter Lawrence, O.J. Howard, Adam Thielen, Robert Woods, Deion Jones. We got a Devontae Parker insert. We got a Ruby. Red Wave behind here. Keep changing these parallel names on us from product to product. It's not a rookie. OJ Howard. Doubling up on that pack love there. And then DeGuara and a Keyshawn Vaughn. Yeah, that's the first gold that we've hit. Had a couple of the green scope, but definitely none as big as Joey B. All right, there's the Howard for the Bucks. It's going to Pepin out of 149. Next pack. All right, Deontay Johnson, Teddy Bruschi, Travis Kelce, Adrian Peterson, Max Crosby, Richard Sherman, Taysom Hill, Tavai. We got a silver coming up. It is a rookie, and then we got a blue wave right behind it. Good luck. Marlon Davidson. Well, not exactly who we're looking for, but that's a nice hit for the Falcons. Kenny, the silver, and then right behind that, blue wave, not a rookie. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Steelers. That is a nice hit. That's going to Jason Roberts. Very nice card, Jason. Congrats. And right behind that, we got a Van Jefferson base rookie, and then Nate Stanley. Good old Marlon Silver. I'm going to sleeve you up, Marlon, and then top load you just because I like you. But yeah, good hits so far. Too Tall Chad, we got to get you some Texans, man. We are working on it. Sean Watson is a color blast. I mean, 1 out of 5 cases, so chances aren't great on that, but that would be a monster hit for the Texans. Juju's numbered out of 199. So we'll slide that over here. All right, next pack. Yeah, this is definitely better. I mean, our first box was pretty brutal. I mean, these things can definitely be pretty dry, and your autos and parallels can just end up being a bunch of defensive players, linebackers, that sort of thing. So the first break we had was a random division, had some great hits out of that, and kind of continuing the trend. So maybe we save the best 4 boxes of the case for last. T.Y. Hilton, Fuller, Simmons, Graham, Paul Pierre, Harris, Shaq Thompson. Oh, let's see the camera there. Brian Bosworth, old school. Then we got a Chenault rookie insert, emergent. Then we got an orange right behind that. It is a rookie. Anthony McFarland Jr. Another nice hit for the Steelers. Going to Jason again. That's out of 249. Nice Booger McFarland Jr. there. Then we got a DeAndre Swift base rookie for the Lions, and then Albert. Good old Albert for the Broncos. I always see a lot of that guy. Seems to show up in every box, but there's always like one of those dudes. It's like Cole Kmet, Mosaic. Couldn't open a box of Mosaic without getting a Cole Kmet. So, maybe it's Albert for Prizm Football. Maybe it's somebody else. But back-to-back Steelers colored parallel hits. So Jason's got a nice little collection going so far. There you go. Let's see if we get a little more light there. All right, 2 more packs in this box. Still got 1 auto left to pull. It's not in this pack. Boykin, the other Josh Allen, Derek Carr, Anthony Miller, Antonio Gates, Kevin Byard, Ronald Jones, Kirk Cousins, Cooper Kupp, and we got some blue ice back here. Let's see if we get any rookie love. No rookie love, but David Johnson, there's your Texans hit. Too tall, Chad. That's not a bad hit at all. That is numbered out of 99. You ask and we deliver. That is also a nicely centered card. Left to right, top to bottom, a little off, but there you go, too tall. We got Brian Edwards and Julian Blackman on the end of that pack. So okay. Last pack out of that box. Good luck. All right, we got Ken Anderson, not the Bengals QB we're looking for. Mike Gesicki, Darius Slayton, Sammy Watkins, Terry McLaurin, Dante Fowler, Fred Warner, Michael Thomas, Trey Flowers, and this should be, it is a rookie. Josh Uche, not the rookie we want. Zach Bond and Michael Warren. So there's our other auto. Had him dropped in there. So we did get our 2 autos. And he had me worried for a little bit. All right, we got another ask and deliver request for Jalen Hurts. We got a whole nother box to go. Let's see what we can get you on the Jalen Hurts front. So we got this red wave parallel out of 149. Let's go to the Patriots. Let's go to Jay. And then we got these 2 here. All right. Nice start to the break. Box 1 done. Let's move these guys over here. We'll put them in our recap pile. We'll recap kind of everything at the end. Box number 2. All right. Let's get some more fire. Let's get some Patty Mahomes. Let's get some Jalen Hurts. Let's get some big hits for the rest of you guys. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 packs. All right. Just make a little room here. Good luck, everybody. All right. Cole Beasley, Denzel Ward, our boy Clellan, Evan Engram, Von Miller, Fletcher Cox, Richard Sherman, Taysom Hill, Tavai. We've got a hyper right behind here. Not any rookie love, but Cooper Kupp. That's a nice hit for the Rams. There you go, James. Numbered out of 275. We got a Jason Huntley and an Antonio Gibson for the Washington football team. He's been balling out the last few weeks. So that's a nice hit there, Edward. All right. Cooper Kupp. All right. You want Watson? Let's see if we can get you a Watson. Got James White. There's a Darren Fells base. Waller. Montgomery. Melvin Ingram. Paul Pierre. Anthony Harris. Shaq Thompson. We got a Julio Jones. This is the Brilliance insert. And then we got a blue wave right behind it. No rookie love. Looks like it might be a Saints player. Oh, well, there we go. Aren't the Steelers having quite a break? So that's back-to-back boxes with the Juju blue wave. There's the other one right here. So you got a matching set now. There you go, Jason. All these Steelers hits, man. Then we got Raekwon Davis and a Justin Jefferson base. I've seen a few people talk about this base card being really hard to pull. One guy said he went through a whole case and only got one of them. So there's that. I did tease the Saints. I thought that gold was there, Phil, for you. Instead, Jason doubled up on the Jujus. All right. Next pack. Curtis Martin, Nick Chubb, Jonnu Smith, Golden Tate, Tyreek Hill, Dwayne Haskins, Brian Bosworth, Ronald Jones again, Kirk Cousins. Got a Justin Simmons Broncos, and then no color in this pack. James Morgan, base rookie for the Jets, and a Jerry Jeudy. So a couple good rookies there on the back end. Edward, another nice hit for you there. And then it's the first Broncos hit we've seen. So Joseph. There we go. All right, next pack. Okay. It's our boy Ricky Williams. There's your Deshaun. Not color, but not too bad. Kerryon Johnson, Daniel Jones, Bradley Chubb, Cooper Kupp, Dante Fowler, Fred Warner, Michael Thomas. We got an orange back here. Oh, we got some rookie love coming up on the orange. Good luck. Wah wah. Ross Blacklock. See, this is what happens, Chad. You ask for Texans, we give you Texans. Just maybe not the Texans you wanted, but still numbered 249 on that orange. And then sliding that around with Anthony Jennings and a Clyde Edwards-Helaire base. So Chiefs getting some love. And we will top load all the cards that are the hits here, that are the bigger rookies, to make sure they make their way to you guys safely. And all cards do ship, so you're getting nice packages from us sometime next week. I know, right, Josh? Finally, he says. Okay, so empty pack there. What do we got? We still have not hit an auto yet, but we got some color in this pack. So we got Jamal Adams, Lane Johnson, Josh Jacobs, Mitchell, Trubisky, always followed by Taylor, and then Trey Flowers, Shaq Barrett. Let's slide this. Oh, we got one more first. Raheem Mostert, and then, oh, wait a second. This, no, it is. Okay. Sometimes on the parallels that are autos, they keep them right side up, so sometimes it's a little hard to tell right off the bat. Not a rookie, but we got a silver Deshaun Jackson. It's a nice hit for the Eagles. Chris, not too bad. We got a green scope right behind there. We got some blue rookie colors, maybe Lions. Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Not too bad. That one's going to be going to Brian with the Panthers. Nice hit there, Brian. Safety for the Panthers at a 75. And then we got a Gandy Golden base and a Jalen Hurts. So there's your Hurts. Not the colored parallel that you might have been looking for, but a Hurts nonetheless. And if you guys are looking for some cards, drop them in the chat right now, because it seems like we're pulling what you guys are asking for. And with a few packs to go, get your calls in now. Drop in those requests. There's that Deshaun again. All right. Ed wants Young and Love. Now, I haven't hit a snakeskin yet. I've seen a couple hit in other breaks, but no snakeskin. There's that Chin. Saw Burrow snakeskin on Instagram the other day. That looked super, super nice. Oh, Justin, go big or go home. It's going for the color blast Saquon. I like it. I like it. I like it. And then we want the Hertz auto to match up with the base card. All right. All right, let's see what we can do. I don't know if we can double down on that mojo, but we will certainly try. Yeah, I mean, that is true. Out of that defensive rookie of the year contest, Chin is a stud, so not a bad card to have. Oh man, McCaffrey stained glass, yeah. I bet that was a solid looking card. All right, we got Quentin, Ed Reed, Derrick Henry, Sterling Shepard, Boston, Shaq Griffin, Gronk in his Bucks glory, Donald Driver. Oh, you got a DeAndre Swift emergent rookie insert for the Lions. Let's go to Mike, and then we got some purple behind this one. So we got some rookie markings. We got some dark blue. Thinking maybe Rams, maybe Lions. Oh, Colts, Jacob Eason. Very, very nice. That's a solid hit, Jonas, on the purple. That is numbered to 1 out of 125, so that's 83 out of 125. It's a very, very nice card. And then finishing that pack up, we got Brandon Ayuk. There we go for the 49ers. And then a Peoples Jones rookie card. Yeah, I haven't seen a single color blast pulled yet, Phil. So yeah, that's crazy if you're seeing more of those than any Alvin Kamara hits. But you've got a little bit, looks like a bit of a print mark on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's our wonderful friends at Panini and their quality control department, or lack thereof, I guess. But I mean, overall, I feel like these have been better, at least on the back end, than Mosaic. It's a very, very nice Eason. Be interesting to see if he gets any playing time down the stretch. I mean, Philip Rivers has been in beast mode the last few weeks, but I feel like at some point the Colts have got to figure out what they have behind them with Brissett and Eason. So we'll see. All right, halfway through. Tremaine Edmonds, Joe Thomas, Brian Dawkins, Tyrell Williams, Keem Hicks, Michael Gallup, Devontae Adams, Larry Fitzgerald, Anthony Barr. All right, we got a camo parallel coming up. These guys are numbered out of 25. And looks like it might be an insert. Oh, check that out. Wow. So these are the sensational signatures, the old school players. Lawyer Malloy, Patriots. That is numbered out of 20, or sorry, numbered out of 10. Wow. These parallels are normally numbered out of 25. So the green camo sensational signature out of 10. And that is going to Jay. Very nice hit. Helped him win a couple Super Bowls. Wow, 60 boxes, Phil. Man, that is rough. Hasty and Okwara to finish that off. Yeah, I feel like the price point at some point, it's got to come down. I mean, no huddle, you got that. Got Optic coming out next year, so I mean, Prizm is the king when it comes to football, but yeah, we gotta give you some Kamara mojo out of these last few packs here. We got still one more auto to go. We also haven't seen the other two rookie quarterbacks. Get some Tua and Herbert love maybe going. All right, Edelman, Stills, Butler, Lawrence, Kelsey, Ramsey, Samuel, Devin White. There's another Eason, base emergent. And we got some blue wave coming up. Rookie love on that blue wave. With some more blue. I'm not even gonna try to guess. Could be Colts, could be Rams, could be Lions. Good luck. Oh, Cowboys. CD Lamb. Nice hit for the Cowboys. David Johnson. That is numbered out of 199. And I'm trying to see, it's numbered 80, so close to a jersey number, 86 out of 199. That is such a nice looking card with the Cowboys colors. Congrats. And then we got Donovan Peoples-Jones, and then we got another base rookie for the Eagles, Jalen Reagor. See if he can do a little bit better at the end of the year with Hurts as his QB instead of Wentz. So that guy's got some wheels on him. All right. very nice on the CeeDee Lamb there. All right, 4 packs left. Okay, we got, looks like some red on the back end of this one. Namath, Fournette, Peterson, Crosby, Fuller, Simmons, Kyle Rudolph, Tyler Higbee, Grady Jarrett. All right, let's see what we got back here. Got some more rookie love on the red ice, or sorry, red wave. Rookie red wave love. Here we go. Oh, and it's an auto. Ben DiNucci, Gucci DiNucci. Oh man, how long did that guy last under center for the Cowboys before they made a move on that? But that is another hit for the Cowboys. So CeeDee Lamb, and then David gets his Gucci DiNucci auto. That is numbered out of 149 on the red wave there. So another rookie quarterback auto. And then finishing up with a Jeff Gladney and a LaMichael Pirine. All right, guys, 3 packs to go. Still looking for some heat out of these packs. Get one of those case sets. Can we get Phil his Kamara? Can we get some Mahomes action? Can we get a Saquon? What do we got? We got some orange on the end of this pack, so let's see what we got. Marino, David Johnson, Graham, Carr, Armstead. Well, there's Kamara. Not a hit, but got a base. Barry Sanders, Rondé Barber. We got a Bobby Wagner on the fireworks. And then, not a rookie, but Green Bay, Zadarius Smith. There you go, Edward. Out of 249. That's another hit for you. Then we got KJ Hamler and Henry Ruggs to round that out. Yeah, big fan of these orange parallels. It's got some nice look with just the foil background. We got the Packers colors in there too, so that's solid. Well, Phil, at some point the odds will catch up. At some point you got to hit what you're looking for. 2 packs to go. Quentin Williams, Darius Leonard, Anthony Miller, Antonio Gates, Byard, Donnell Hunter, Aaron Donald, Sean Alexander. We got some interesting colors back here. Looks like we got a silver, and then right behind that, a gold. So let's check out the silver first. Oh, Devin McCourty, Patriots. Very nice. Nice hit, Jay. And then on this gold, we don't have rookie love. So any of you guys that were calling out hits for the other players, good mojo. Here we go. Good luck. Oh, Frank Clark. That's some Kansas City heat. 9 out of 10. So back-to-back boxes with golds. Not too bad. Josh, there you go, buddy. That is a nice looking card too. Out of 10. And then we got Willie Gay and Thaddeus Moss on that back end of that pack. Let's bust open some more penny sleeves here. I'll do this with the gloves. All right. We got the McCourty, Silva. How you like them apples? I did live in Boston for 7 years, but clearly did not pick up the accent. Yeah, Shark is a stud. All right, guys, last pack. Like I mentioned before, we do have single packs available. Last pack mojo on this. If you do want to get in on another pack and rip it live, happy to do that. They're $99 on the site right now, toplinecards.com. Just ping me in the chat below if you want to do something like that, or we can ship it to you sealed if you want the joy of opening a pack yourself. So we do have some red in here. So let's hope we end this with a bang. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. AJ Green, Darius Slayton, Sammy Watkins, McLaurin, OJ Howard, Thielen, Robert Woods, Deion Jones. We got a Cortland Sutton hype insert. Good old Cortland. And then we got no rookie. Trying to tell what those colors are, but geez, I've been like 0 for 10 on these calls. So, oh, Darren Fells, another hit for Houston. There you go, Chad. No, it's not your Watson, but not too bad. It's out of 149. And then we got a Quez Watkins and a Javon Kinlaw to finish up that pack in that box. So let me just sleeve these guys up and I'll do a recap for everybody. All right. So here's our stack of rookies. I'm not going to go through all these, but those are all the rookies. We'll top load the big ones, send those out to you. Make sure we give this guy a nice top loader. But yeah, that was a solid hit there for the Chargers. Garrett with the gold. Joshua Kelly rookie patch auto. Sick patch on that. Numbered 8 out of 10. It's a 4-color patch. Very nice. All right. So then we got the Red Wave Darren Fells, Silver McCourty, Frank Clark Gold out of 10. Zadarius Smith on the orange out of 249. Thanks, Phil. Appreciate it. Got the Ben DiNucci for the Cowboys out of 149. Blue Wave CD Lamb out of 199. Get the sensational signatures Lawyer Malloy out of 10. 10 out of 10, so it's a couple 10s. Eason on the purple out of 125 for the Colts. We got the Jeremy Chin Panthers. Green Scope out of 75. Deshaun Jackson with the Eagles silver. Thanks, Josh. Ross Blacklock with the Texans. Texans had a pretty solid break overall, considering. Then we got Juju 1 on the Blue Wave. Cooper Kupp Hyper. We got the Lazard silver auto, the Joey B. Green scope, Joey B. Out of 75. Joshua Uche, red. David Johnson, blue ice. Anthony McFarland on the orange out of 249. Then Juju blue wave number 2. Marlon Davidson, Falcons silver. OJ Howard with the Bucks out of 149. Devin Singletary, orange out of 249. Devin Singletary silver. Then we got the Emmitt Smith blue wave for the Cowboys. Whoops, out of 199. And then good old Clelin Ferrell with the hyper out of 175. So appreciate it, everyone. Thanks so much. We'll, like I said, get these out to you this week, so you'll have them hopefully in hand next week. Update tracking for everyone. But appreciate you subscribing to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. You can check us out on toplinecards.com for breaks, boxes, singles, supplies, all the good stuff. Follow us on Instagram at toplinecards and Twitter as well. All right, appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.